appreciate you, we love you, and it's Boss's Day, and we have a little something for you. Michelle, you're gonna make me cry. Carla, you can
It's not really what we wanted to do,
We're
but we'll explain that later.
Well, I gotta look at the gift and then I'll read the card in a minute. I'm really nervous.
Don't be nervous.
$250. Best boss ever, that is correct. I am so eternally grateful to God to have our paths cross in such a good and gracious way. Although it's been short, do not take away from the blessings of it. Happy Boss's Day, Monica. That is very sweet. So I have a Visa gift card
So really,
of
well,
$250.
listen to this.
I think we need to go shopping
Well,
later.
wait, this is what we had planned.
Yeah,
To
listen.
get you,
I need Botox.
a Louis
It's
Vuitton
$300.
gift card.
That's what we tried
Okay,
to do.
I called and they said we don't sell gift cards because we're a satellite store, so we settled for the Visa.
So I gotta go buy Louis today?
Well,
I'm okay with that.
That way you can get whatever you want.
Oh, look, Sarah signed it.
This video is for Monica, so say
You
hi.
are so appreciated. Hey, Monica. Happy birthday. Hands down, the best boss I've ever had. Thank you for making my transition into the Army smooth, fun, and rewarding. You're welcome, Jason. Y'all should have typed this. Just a little something for you. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for being a great boss, Carla. Don't know where I'd be without you. Thanks for being the best boss around, EP. Happy Boss's Day. Who else do I employ? Thanks for all you do. I appreciate you and your leadership. MV, Michelle Van Hornen.